Waterproof flooring is a type of flooring that is designed to resist water damage. It is often used in bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and other areas where water is present. There are many different types of waterproof flooring, including vinyl, laminate, tile, and stone. Waterproof flooring is a great option for areas where water is present. It is durable and easy to clean, and it can resist staining and fading. If you're looking for a flooring option that will stand up to the rigors of daily life, waterproof flooring is a good choice. 4 valid reasons why waterproof flooring is best choice. There are many reasons why waterproof flooring is the best choice for your home. Waterproof flooring is durable and long-lasting, and it is also easy to clean and maintain. Waterproof flooring is also a great choice if you have children or pets, as it is much more resistant to spills and stains than other types of flooring. Waterproof flooring is also a great way to add value to your home. If you are thinking of selling your home in the future, waterproof flooring will make it more appealing to potential buyers. And if you are looking to refinish your floors, waterproof flooring is a great option as it can be refinished multiple times without losing its beauty. Waterproof flooring prevents the dangers of moisture to a floor. Waterproof flooring is a type of flooring that is designed to be impervious to water. This makes it an ideal choice for rooms that are prone to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and basements. Waterproof flooring is also a good choice for high-traffic areas, as it is able to withstand the wear and tear of daily foot traffic. There are many different types of waterproof flooring on the market today, including laminate, vinyl, and tile. Each type of flooring has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, so it is important to do your research before making a final decision. Waterproof flooring is a wise investment for any home, as it can help to prevent the dangers of moisture and extend the life of your floor. Easy to clean and maintain. Waterproof flooring is an important innovation in the world of flooring. It protects a floor from the dangers of moisture, which can lead to all sorts of problems like mold, mildew, and rot. Waterproof flooring is also much easier to clean and maintain, making it a great choice for busy families or businesses. There are many different types of waterproof flooring on the market today, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Waterproof flooring is more durable and resistant to stains. One of the biggest benefits of waterproof flooring is that it is more durable than traditional flooring options. Waterproof flooring is designed to resist water damage, so it is ideal for areas of the home that are prone to spills or leaks. Waterproof flooring is also easier to clean and maintain, so it will look its best for years to come. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain flooring option for your home, waterproof flooring is a great choice. With its resistance to water damage, it is perfect for areas of the home that are prone to spills or leaks. And because it is easy to clean and maintain, it will look its best for years to come. Waterproof flooring is good for kids and pets. Waterproof flooring is one of the most durable types of flooring on the market. It is designed to withstand spills and moisture, making it ideal for high-traffic areas such as kitchens and bathrooms. Waterproof flooring is also easy to clean and maintain, making it a great choice for kids and pets. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain type of flooring for your kids and pets, waterproof flooring is a great option to consider. Waterproof flooring is a type of flooring that is designed to resist water and moisture. This type of flooring is often used in bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and other areas where water or moisture is present. Waterproof flooring is available in a variety of materials, including vinyl, laminate, and tile. When it comes to choosing flooring for your home, there are many factors to consider. But if you're looking for a flooring option that is durable, easy to maintain, and can withstand any type of spill or accident, then waterproof flooring is the best choice for you. Waterproof flooring is made from vinyl or laminate materials that are impervious to water. This means that you don't have to worry about spills or accidents ruining your floors. Waterproof flooring is also very easy to clean and maintain. And because it's so durable, it can withstand heavy traffic and wear and tear. So if you're looking for a flooring option that is durable, easy to maintain, and can withstand any type of spill or accident, then waterproof flooring is the best choice for you.